This looks nice. So this is for 2,999. This shade of green also looks fab. अगर black में होता तो थोड़ा सा better लगता. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pranav. In today's video, I've come to H&M, which is one of the most popular fashion brands among the youth. So बाहर का brand है जो इंडिया में काफ़ी popular हो गया है youth के बीच में, and it makes fast fashion for kids, women, men across all generations. So let's see what it has to offer. So this is the women's section, and it is pretty huge. So it extends till there. So even this is women's section. So 2 floors है जो women's के लिए dedicated है. So one more floor for men's section. So they have t-shirts. T-shirts for 399. Full sleeve t-shirts 1499. Not bad. I think this one looks better. I really like the hoodies in H&M. They have fleece inside and they're very comfortable. So I love the hoodies from H&M. Even this one looks nice. 1499. Not bad. So I think these are all relaxed fit t-shirts. इस समर सीजन में रिलैक्स फिट टी-शर्ट काफ़ी ट्रेंड में है. थोड़ी ओवरसाइज्ड है बट काफ़ी पॉपुलर है. Then they have white sneakers also. White sneakers personally are my favorite. They are for 2000. Sweatshirt. Pretty cute. They have t-shirts like these. I don't think I'll ever wear anything like this. Classic polo t-shirts. This is what I like, but fabric should be a little better. Not bad. Some more shoes. Then they also have fashion accessories like shades. Some funny looking shirts. These are really funny. I don't think I'll ever wear these. ये शर्ट्स मैं अपने दुश्मनों को तक गिफ्ट ना करूं यार. ये तो काफ़ी वियर्ड सी हैं. Relax fit. I see so many of these relax fit shirts now. This is their sneaker collection. White ones look nice. These ones, not bad. So this is for 2,999. Then they have bags, footwear, slippers. These are for 999. Black ones look better, I feel. Rainbow socks. This looks nice. ये try कर सकते हैं. Then they have a formal section also. Pants for 2299. And some shirts. यहाँ का फॉर्मल वेयर मुझे इतना खास नहीं लग रहा, बट कैजुअल वेयर इज गुड. सम मोर हुडीज. दिस हुडी आई कैन ट्राई. नॉट टू श्योर अबाउट द कलर ब्राउन, बट लुक्स नाइस. अगर ब्लैक में होता तो थोड़ा सा बेटर लगता. I'll pick up this green polo neck also. Let's pick this also, relaxed fit, black t-shirt. And here is the denim section. $14.99. $14.99, not bad. I love the color. Green looks really nice. Classic polo. What do you guys think? दूर से कुछ इस तरह से लग रही है ये. This is the second one, black. This is the relaxed fit t-shirt that I was talking about. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है समर में. And black is my personal favorite, so have to pick up black. This sweatshirt looks pretty funny. अगर स्कूल में होता, maybe I could have pulled it off, but not anymore. Just an afterthought. I don't think it looks that bad. What do you guys think? This shade of green also looks fab. This is also relaxed fit, and green is pretty much in trend this summer. Black के साथ I think ये definitely मैं pick करने वाला हूँ आज. So I really like all the hoodies from H&M, but ये color थोड़ा सा odd है. Brown I don't think goes really well with my skin tone. अगर ये black में होता तो would have looked amazing. But fit और finish is nice. So cabs for 699 and this black one is for 499. This is nice. Let's quickly get billing done. Luckily बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं क्यू में. So शॉपिंग करके बाहर आ चुके हैं. So I'm on my way to home. So let me see the bill. आज मैंने 3 से 4 टोटल आइटम खरीदे and I've roughly paid around just under 3K. So I think that's not bad. I picked up a hoodie and 2 t-shirts and I've got that in under 3K. So that's I think fair enough. So guys, that is all for today's video. अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है और आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना और चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना. And I'll be back another video next week. This is Pranav signing off. Take care and stay safe.